Is it time to buy or sell DraftKings stock? In this video, we will delve into DraftKings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has ranked DraftKings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.27. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 19.81% since we first listed DraftKings as a buy candidate 36 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.55% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and significant upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 33.8% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 23.07% to 37.76%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of around 6.03%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 23.5% and positive 28.5% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between 34.70 and 58.29. Our latest daily update for DraftKings includes the headline "Green Day on Wednesday" for DraftKings stock after gaining nearly 1%. The DraftKings stock price rose by nearly 1% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, climbing from $44.94 to $45.36. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.73%, reaching a low of $44.70 and a high of $45.92. Although the price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 1.2% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased alongside the price on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before, with approximately 13 million shares exchanged for around $575,630,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $53.61. while the lowest price was $29.29. Currently, the stock price stands 15.39%, or $8.25, below the 52-week high and 39.02%, or $29.02, below the all-time high reached on the 22nd of March, 2021, when the price peaked at $74.38. DraftKings, identified by the ticker DKNG, has made headlines today after revealing significant earnings results that have far exceeded market expectations. The company reported a staggering 37% growth in second quarter revenue, reaching $1.5 billion and effectively doubling profit predictions. This impressive financial performance has sparked a notable surge in stock prices, indicating strong investor confidence. Users are not only wagering more, but they are also losing more, which suggests an uptick in betting activity that could sustain these revenue levels. In addition to its robust earnings, DraftKings is maintaining its revenue and adjusted EBITDA guidance for 2025, reflecting a stable outlook despite previous challenges and fluctuations earlier in the year. Furthermore, the launch of 2 new leveraged exchange-traded funds, providing 200% exposure to DraftKings market movements, signals increased institutional interest and could enhance liquidity in DKNG shares. In the short term, this positive momentum could lead to a sustained rise in share prices as retail and institutional investors react to these encouraging metrics. Long term, if DraftKings continues to effectively capitalize on current trends in the sports betting industry and maintains its growth trajectory, it could solidify its position as a leading player in the gaming sector and further enhance shareholder value. The upcoming months will be crucial as the company navigates the competitive landscape and regulatory challenges inherent in the gaming industry. Analyst ratings. On Friday, July 18, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned DKNG an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, July 15, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned DKNG a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, July 11, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DKNG a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, July 11, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned DKNG an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, June 13, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned DKNG a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned DraftKings stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for DraftKings. The DraftKings stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $44.78 and $43.13. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 30th, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 0.85%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 6 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal occurred 33 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 28 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for DraftKings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $42.89 and $36.23. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, DraftKings finds support just below today's level at $42.89. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $36.23 and $35.35. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.22 between its high and low, which is approximately 2.73%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for DraftKings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may highlight a lack of profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 410 of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for DraftKings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for DraftKings is at $45.75. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, DraftKings faces its first support level at $42.89. If this support level remains intact, it could provide a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for DraftKings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 1st of August, 2025, Ellingson Allen Wayne made an insider purchase of 4,310 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Ellingson Allen Wayne executed an insider sale of 2,084 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on that date, Ellingson Allen Wayne conducted an insider sale of 4,310 shares of restricted stock units. Also on the 1st of August, 2025, Dodge R. Stanton made an insider purchase of 808 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Dodge R. Stanton executed an insider sale of 354 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 21.594. In total, insiders purchased 722,378 shares and sold 1,114,379 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $43.49, representing a decline of 4.12%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to a low-risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top observed 5 days ago. Is DraftKings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for DraftKings stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we expect DraftKings to open lower by 3.33 cents, starting at $45.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.